but the right one is still original and running, so that's nice. Oh, bouncy, what the, oh my gosh. Basement, which is all the way down there. Here we get on the image, 3-row buttons on this thin panel. Your basement, yeah, a lot smoother. And this area is gutted. Got the penthouse, which is a new rooftop area, but it's locked, so we'll get the a construction elevator or something? Why doesn't any of the 7? Okay, I don't know why penthouse isn't unlocked. I guess 7's the highest floor that's being occupied. That's weird. I think none of the other ones are even wired. It's 7. Back down the lobby. Yeah, weird place. And I found nice, newly redone cab. Guess we can also do a ride on the old elevator. This is a before and after. Yeah. The service one's also still original. Yeah, I guess 7's the highest floor. 8 through 22 are either under construction or vacant. I think they kicked all of the old residents on old units. Yeah, it's so weird. Actually, I don't think those ones are even wired, to be honest. I feel like they're probably not something else. They also kept these original old doors, even though I don't really, especially like